You're gonna meet one of my favorite YouTubers, and she'll be introducing herself to you. You can see it has been raining. Yo! So guys, let's introduce yourself.
I'm telling you guys, I just met Mr. June 256. He's also filming.
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, this is Shami Vlog, the geo-creator from Kampala, Uganda, and we are filming Kampala on a rainy day.
Yes.
Yeah. So how are you doing?
I'm good.
So the thing is, we are checking her. She wants taxis that are going to Kachiri.
To Kachiri?
Yeah, she's yes.
Okay. So yeah.
New tax bar.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
So let's. Good afternoon. Nice to meet you. It's Mr. June 256, and I'm a prominent YouTuber here in Kampala, Uganda. So today, we are vlogging about the rain day in Kampala. So I've started my video from their side. So I've just met Shami Vlog, Uganda.
Which school? Yeah, I'm Shami Vlog, a YouTuber, and I'm vlogging. I hope it's okay. Because here, that side road like that.
Are you going to new tax park?
Yeah.
Okay. And
they told that come this side. Come. Please fall.
so
You know those people can make you even like.
guys, so this Mutasa Cafe side, that's the Mutasa Cafe roundabout, that's the Mutasa building, Mutasa Cafe building. Yeah, they need to fix that.
No, they're not fixing it. That's sewage. Like when trains here, they release sewage.
Oh.
So this water is really highly contaminated.
That's the habit, eh?
Yeah.
I think KCCA, they are watching. So this is Mutasa Cafe building. We're approaching Room Street. Yep. Yes.
Have you seen how umbrellas get expensive when it's raining?
Yeah.
Like,
I wanted to buy that big one, but then I had no enough money. So I said to buy this one.
selling this at 15.
Man, some 15,
Yeah.
the small one 10.
The small one's 10. Guys, like when it's raining, every decision has to.
So you can see this is the Rome Street. Still raining, guys. That's why you see only those with umbrellas are the one walking around. That's where we come from. This Rome Street. They've tried to. So those are they are trying to collect here garbage and all that.
It's more than a man. is more than love. The reason that the sky is blue.
So those are the shops. So you can see they're trying to fix the street. I've tried to put some boundaries to limit people from stepping. Yeah. I think this street is gonna look nice.
And right now, if you step there, you pay.
Ah, you pay, you have to pay. There are KCA officials who are watching. They are ever this side watching.
So bad.
It's not bad. So this is the Gazaland building. This side of Mini Price down. There's the Gazaland. That's corner house. That's where we come from. And then that's the road to Wandegea. So you can see that's the Mkwano Arcade. Actually, most people ask themselves about what is the Mini Price. This is the Mini Price building. This one here. It's the Mini Price building. That's corner, around the corner house. Then after, between Mini Price building and shopping arcade, that's where you find Chikubo Street. This is the Chikubo Street. It's a renowned business street. Yes. Through here. Okay. That's the Chikubo Street. It's a business street over there. So you can see that's URA office. It's for tax collection and all that. So that's a new building here, Totala. We used to have a Toto petrol station there. So I think that's where they got the name Totala. They removed the petrol station and they put that building. So this is the Nabugabo Street. Oh, no. Which one? I'm not so sure, but I think
That is water.
yeah, to drainage whatever.
Drainage. It's a
Yeah.
drainage. So right now, drainage system.
So you can see traders have tried to put some tarpaulins to protect their goods from rain. You can see now a lot of tarpaulins here, this side and the other side. So see, it has rained so heavily that people had to abandon some business along the road. You see, some people had to abandon the business on the road. So that's just community center, Ham shopping grounds over there. Yeah, that Rumo Street goes up to no, this is Namirembe Road, I think, from here. Yeah. No, Room Street connects to Namirembe Road and goes up to Namirembe Church. So, you can see. So this is the natural stream. This natural stream that accommodates all water that flows across Kampala. Yes. Go and say hi. So you can see this is the Nachivubo stream. So people had to abandon business here.
What about this place? What I love about here is that
Yeah.
they enlarged this.
Yes.
And also they put some drainage system.
Yeah.
So water is flowing from all directions and
Yeah.
coming to this. This one takes the water up to actually it goes up to the lake.
Yeah, up to Lake Victoria.
Yeah.
Connects to Nachivubo, it goes to Zambia,
Yeah,
over the other
Zambia,
side,
Port Bell.
yeah, Port Bell,
Yeah.
up to Lake Victoria.
So that is it, guys. This is the latest plan. Let us first take how we come back and do our.
Okay. So it has rained it has rained to the extent that people abandon business here.
Yeah. You cannot find
They have abandoned business here. So you can see. Oh, they've tried to put protective tarpaulins. It has been raining so heavily, as you've seen when we are just starting. Wind, storm, and all that. It wasn't easy. So, yeah. So this is the stream, the Nachivubo stream. So guys, let me try to show you a bit. That's where it comes from. It's very long. It's a trans-city. It's just trans-city. It passes through the city and goes up to Lake Victoria. So let's take this guy. Kachiri? Kachiri side. That's Maya. Kachiri side. Mbiri's. I think Kachiri. So this new tax park. We've never entered here. Where? Hey. So they are not in here. They are outside the park. Eh?
I think so. But even there, they can take you. However, the problem is they charge you as someone going to Hoima.
Along the main road. Eh?
Yeah. No, here.
Here. Yeah. Yeah, they charge once.
They charge you once.
Yeah.
Gomba.
Like here, they charge you like someone going to Hoima, and Hoima is 20k.
Hoima is 20. Oh. So here they charge you 20k.
Yeah, there they charge Boda Express.
Oh yeah.
So at the river, let's go there and ask.
Mulonga amazi mangi.
So let me wipe my camera. That goes where? Hey. Oh yeah. I know this exit. So this is the exit that goes to. Yeah. This is the real chaotic park. So we're just exiting the new tax park. So guys, that's where I started my video, from that petrol station there. I don't know whether I can see it. That's where my video started from, so I've just rotated. So you can see guys. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. So guys, this is Namirembe Road. That's New Tax Park. Ham shopping grounds that side. You can see good kiosks here. This is Namirembe Road. And that's the Aga Khan Mosque, but it's not visible inside. Yeah. But you can see. Guys, you can see how they have designed. Yes, you're crossing. So guys, it has been Mr. June 256, a YouTuber from Kampala, Uganda. You can see even how my cape looks. Okay, so let me end my video here. It has been Mr. June 256. Yeah, we meet again.